Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Sani. Now I welcome you to all on my YouTube channel. Today's my topic is macroeconomics, which is a part of economics. You know all economics is divided into two categories. First is micro, and second is macroeconomics. Today my topic is macroeconomics. Now let's begin. What is macroeconomics actually? Macroeconomics. Macroeconomics, the study of individual and business decisions regarding the allocation of resources and prices of goods and services. Key terms to know about macroeconomics: trade, industrial organization and market structure, labor economics, public finance, welfare economics. Macroeconomics analyze entire industries and economic rather than individual or specific. Macroeconomics try to determine the optimal rate of inflation and factors that may stimulate economic growth. Macroeconomics describe relationship among national savings and overall price level. And overall price level and key principles of macroeconomics: employment, national income, and GDP, GNP. That is the principles of macroeconomics. And now let's move in key research areas in macroeconomics. Research areas in macroeconomics. Number one is economic growth. Economic growth. And second is business cycles. I'll explain economic growth. Economic growth, this term refers to an increase in aggregate production in an economy. Growth is modeled as a function of physical capital, human capital, labor capital, and technology. Business cycle. This area of macroeconomic consider variables such as employment and national output. The Great Depression of the 1930s surpassed the development of modern macroeconomic theory. A brief history of economics. Since its early beginning in the 1800s, in the field of economics has expanded to try to address the complexity of today's economic and systems. The four building blocks of international economics. For area of influence: international economics, international trade, international finance, multinational corporations, economic globalization. International trade is defined as the exchange of goods and services between countries. And international finance is defined as the study of monetary interactions between two or more countries. The following concepts govern the field of international finance. And multinational corporations: a multinational corporation has facilitated and other assets allocated in at least one country other than its home country, derives at least a quarter of its revenue from outside its home country. Economic globalization. Globalization is defined as the spread of product, information, technology, and jobs across national borders. Conclusion. Economics is a complex field with many fixed factors and variables affecting the financial health of individuals, households, companies, and governments. A firm grasp of the principles and theories. Government Governing microeconomics and macroeconomics will help professionals make wise decisions concerning nearly all areas of businesses. That's all. Thank you, guys.